Well, 5,000 subscribers, who would have thought? I certainly didn't, and I'm quite shocked actually. And it's all thanks to people like you for stopping by and watching these videos. You know, when I started this channel, or I should say properly focused on it about 2 years ago, I was looking at maybe 1,000 subscribers. But the real intention was simply to provide interesting and useful demonstrations and tips for artists like yourself. Maybe also inspire artists to start painting or dust off their old brushes and get back into it. Things that would make a difference and help you improve your painting. So as a big thank you to yourself and everyone who's been supporting me with the YouTube channel, I'm going to have a special giveaway. 5,000 subscribers, so I'm going to give away 5 courses of my Painterly workshop. That is the sort of my flagship course, and this is the self-starter program where you'll be able to access all the course materials. It's sort of aimed to being a 6-month program, and you'll also be able to join my painting group on Slack and show your work, get some feedback as well. So 5 of those are going to 5 hopefully lucky people, and to take part, all you have to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment below. So 5 winners will be chosen from the comments below this video, and I'm going to announce the winner on next week's video. Good luck. Please leave a comment below, make sure you've subscribed, and you'll be automatically entered into the lucky draw. Once again, a big thank you, and I do really appreciate everybody who watches, comments, gives videos a like or share, subscribe. Whatever positive impact these videos can make, I am really very, very happy about that. Excellent. So leave your comments below, and we'll see next week who'll be joining me on the Painterly workshop. Until next time, cheers for now.